Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Kayak app problem. To know how to fix or how to solve any problem that you have on Kayak app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that in this list you will search about Kayak app. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can make a lot of issues or errors on your Kayak app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.